Find the equation. Okay, so whenever I have equation, I'm finding the equation. I've got my point, slope equation set up of the normal line. So the slope I'm looking for is m norm at the end. 2f of x equals the square root of 6x cubed plus 2x plus 1 when x equals 1. So I see that this is going to be a composite function. I've got a function underneath the square root. So let's set that up. Actually, don't need all the space for the point. There we go. So the point is going to be when x equals 1, what is y? So I'm trying to find 1, f of 1. So let's find f of 1. F of 1 is going to be the square root of 6 times 1 cubed plus 2 times 1 plus 1. F of 1 is going to be the square root of 6 plus 2, which is 8 plus 1 is 9. F of 1 is equal to 3. So I now have 1, 3 as my point. Okay. My slope is going to come from taking the derivative of the function. So I've got, I'm actually going to first rewrite it with rational power. To the 1/2, and now I'm going to take the derivative. So since this is a composite function, I'm going to use the chain rule to take the derivative. That means I'm going to take the derivative of the outside times the derivative of the inside. Okay. And then now I'm evaluating that when x is 1. I'm going to have a hard time visualizing what's going on here. So I'm going to take this part, and he is my numerator. So I've got 18x squared plus 2 over, and then this 2 is in the denominator, and then this drops down to become a square root in the denominator. And then now I can evaluate this no problemo. So I've got f prime of 1 is going to be equal to 18 times 1 squared plus 2 all over 2 times the square root of 6 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 1. So now I would have 18 plus 2 over 2 times the square root of, I think this ended up being 9 earlier, right? Yeah. Square root of 9. So then I would get 20 over 2 rad. Oh, the square root of 9 is 3. So I get 20 over 6, which would end up being 10 over 3. So this is my slope of the tangent line. So let's just double check that this is correct before we move any further. So I have my calculator, and I'm going to do menu for 1 to find the numerical derivative at a point. So the x value that I'm examining is when x equals 1. Let's type in the original curve and see if our m tan, or the slope of the tangent line when x equals 1 of this thing I'm typing in right now, I can't type and talk, ends up being 10 over 3. It does. Hooray. So now I'm going to take that slope of the tangent line, and I'm going to find the negative reciprocal. So now that's my m norm. And now I find the equation. Y minus y1 is equal to the slope times x minus x1.